Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing some fun ASMR with some peanut butter sticks homemade by our gases. They kind of look like shit because that's what it is. So yeah, okay guys, enjoy your good ASMR. Get a crumb on my tablet. Hell. No, I'm coughing. I know, right? He can't stop putting his fat dick in our mouth. This one's skinny. There's white stuff everywhere, I swear. He can't seem to clean this place up. By the way, guys, we're really hot in real life.
Bro, definitely. I'm so smexy.
And do you want to believe that the one famous me, Samantha, Brian? Yeah. We have some lemonade.
Strawberry lemonade. Organic. We got whole grains.
What? That's very good.
This peanut butter is peanut butter free.
Yeah, no nuts included. Only balls. It's all authentic.
And it's not brown.
It's really not brown.
It's yellow.
Yeah, because that's what happens when there's no peanuts. It tastes so good. It's not called peanut butter really, but
It's called piss.
it was said piss in a jar, but it's peanut butter. I swear, it's like peanut butter.
Yeah.
It literally tastes exactly the same because I was stupid and I used to have peanut butter, like, you know.
By the way, it was also very healthy.
Oops. Like when you drink yarn from other people,
Yarn?
they don't have a disease. Like,
What do you mean? It's peanut butter.
yeah, it's peanut butter, but like it's authentic and nice, you know. Oh my god, we're both like 18, so like,
Bro. So true. Choose intensely.
And we were like going on our For You page, and we found these ugly cringe gotcha tubers. It was so funny.
Okay, that was on all serious talk. That was a joke. No hate to that community.
I mean, hate to the channel that we saw. It's called Exotic. Oh.
No, that's actually well. All those things were a joke.
And like we saw all these cringe. But we love the gotcha community, definitely. So.
Yeah, but you should sub.
You watch too much content. Yeah,
No.
they actually really did, but.
Well, our gotcha community is fine. Everybody's fine except gotcha heap. We've been in the gotcha
community since like 2017. So.
Yeah, and actually got exotic owas. They're a really underrated channel.
We found that when we were searching up exotic channels because we watched this other girl that has the name.
Yeah.
So, they're pretty cool. They do like skits, I'm pretty sure, and trends.
A meme sometimes. I don't know. We should probably check them out. This is why we're called Burp Part. I'm about to piss my pants.
And spit sometimes. Boogers are coming out of my nose.
Okay, I'm gonna say you guys morning. Skip ahead, probably like maybe a couple of seconds if you don't like spit or something, because that's what it looks like.
Oh my gosh. It's all authentic lemonade.
Yeah, that darker spot.
I didn't try to flip
right
you guys
there.
off. That's the spit.
We spit a lot.
And demonstration.
Because we make ourselves laugh when we're drinking. Not alcohol. Or maybe. No. And, yeah. Yeah.
By the way, guys,
Ew.
spit it out. You're like,
Clean
us a
up.
second,
Clean up. Please clean up.
It looks like dog poop. Okay.
Clean it up.
Chill. All
Clean this up. Please clean that up. Just spit out.
All authentic.
Alright, eat the breath. You twerker. No. Sweet home out.
Guess what, guys?
Be closer to the camera, little dumb whore.
By the way, guys, I was a little snazzy and sexy today because I took off my hoodie. Yeah, so don't even, guys. And I showed my titties at the strip club.
It's been a longer video because we got to like 20K likes, so. Bro, definitely. Ew, why are you chewing on my arm? By the way, guys, stop calling us gay just because we love each other. I mean, we're sisters. Like, nobody was calling us gay. You know, lemonade is even piss, even though it's. Yeah. Yeah, you know that lemonade, our lemonade, because we're bougie, is not made from lemons, even though it's in the name. It's not. It's organic. All that is in here is grains, carbs, all the healthy stuff like lettuce. It has lettuce, yeah. Yeah, bro. It's clear because even though solution in it. Even though lemonade, it tricks little kids. No, even though vegetables. Even though lemon, because it's healthy. No, even though lemon is already healthy. No. But this has. It doesn't have sugar. This is the good stuff. It's not sugar-free lemonade though. It has no lemon because that's too sour for us. And if you say lemonade isn't sour, you're right. But yeah. What are you doing? Caressing my tablet? Why do I have constipated bops all the time? Please comment down below what stuff makes you fart. It just showed. Oh my god. I got eliminated. Because we need more farts in our videos, guys. It's really hard to be all authentic and natural. So we're gonna make an apology video. I think I have a fart, guys. Okay, guys. I have a fart. We don't have to apologize anymore. Thank you, guys. Oh my god. There you go. Yeah. There's another one for you guys. Let's see if I can get one, guys. I have like, yeah. She might poop herself. I actually might. Watch out for your drink. Towards your butt. I have to piss fast. I'll be right back, guys. By that, guys, we're hot. Oh my gosh. Guys, did you just hear that burp? That was like a burp, but you know, like when you burp too soon after you're done drinking something? And I literally almost threw up from that. Guys, I think I got another fart. Let me just hop my tablet. No. Wait. That one was silent but deadly. We're having a sewer problem, guys. Our house smells like rotten eggs. I almost threw up where you were going.
I think
By burping too soon, like a bunch of throw up came up.
Sorry, guys. I'm
I
trying to.
farted again while you're gone.
It looks like I'm giving Bob beats. Guys.
You lifted up the top.
You guys are hot. Just kidding. Ugly scum.
No, that was true.
This is sexist. No. Stop! My pants are gonna be. Anyway, guys.
Okay, this video has reached 10 minutes, so
we gotta end it.
Bye.